is Amina Haider. I'm the founder of ATR, which stands for Above the Radar. It's a welfare group for women in manufacturing. I'm also a founder of JIKO, which is an incubation manufacturing facility. I've been in manufacturing for the last 6-7 years. The reason why I started ATR and then it was also followed by JIKO was due to the challenges that women have in terms of being compliant, getting certifications, following I would call the bureaucracy of getting some of the licenses that involves in regards to being in the manufacturing sector. Initially, when I first started the ATR group, in 3 weeks, I was able to get 250 women. And then it became a little bit overwhelming because I couldn't really I wanted to have a hands-on type of impact on them. So what I did was I moved from the Facebook page and then I went into a WhatsApp, and I concentrated mainly on the women within Nairobi and the surroundings. And that now has grown to about 100+ women that I have. In the next 5 years to 10 years, as Muslims we say, inshallah, God willing, I'd like to see JIKO expand to each and every county. I'd like to see JIKO opened in areas that they might not be able to get this type of facility. My happiest moment is when I made about 7 million shillings for ATR. I made 7 million in terms of introducing hampers. So the hampers came in handy. They were able to use that money to pay off some of their certificates, to buy raw material, and so on. So for me, that was like the happiest moment ever, I must say. I'm very much involved in women. These two programs or these two organizations I have running are women-based. We're also reaching out to a lot more younger women. Again, due to COVID, we've had quite a number of young women who probably got jobs initially as interns and then were unable to sort of continue with those jobs. Now they've come into manufacturing. So there's been a lot. I mean, I think whatever ATR or JIKO stands for is just to enhance and to help women to grow in this sector of manufacturing. This was actually an anonymous person who brought me to Zuri. It wasn't my idea, so you can tell how uncomfortable I am. So yeah, the humble me would probably say no. I mean, there are far more better women doing amazing things, right? But the forthcoming me, and probably the one, the Amina who's very driven, I want to say I deserve it. I deserve it because I think I've done a lot.